It's Lindsay Perot, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you can turn any PDF that you have into a Google Slides resource. So if you just have a single page that you want to give to your students, and this is really good for those of you who don't know how to break apart PDFs or send things individually, all you do is open up the PDF and then take a screenshot or use a snipping tool if you're on a PC. Take a screenshot of the page you want to send to students. Then you'll go open up a new slides presentation, and I will just write simplifying expressions right here. Then you need to change your background. So File, Page Setup. I want a custom size. My page over here is 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to change this to be 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to remove the text boxes on here. Then you go to Background, choose Image, and you can just drag the image that you just took, drag your screenshot over here, and you're done. It is that simple to get a PDF onto Google Slides. Then you can add text boxes in advance for your students to fill in, maybe make them a little bit of a color so they can see them, and then you can just duplicate them across here. Or if your students are old enough, you can add a first slide here with directions that just says add text boxes where you need them. If you have a full PDF, so this PDF I have up open here is a sixth grade math prep packet, and there's 30-something pages. Obviously, I don't want to sit here and screenshot every single one. So what you can do, I'm going to delete this here because I'm going to use it again to show you this. So you can go to websites like Small PDF, PDF to Go, ilovepdf.com, and you can upload your files. So I already did this because it takes a minute, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I'm using PDF to Go. You want to convert convert it to a JPEG. You'll simply drag your file here and hit Start. And then once it uploads your file, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. So you can decide whether you want to download all of these. If I know like the first page, let's say the first 3 pages here, 4 pages I wouldn't need my students to have, so I can just uncheck these. And then you click Download Zip File, and it'll download all the ones you have checked as a zip. So I've got those downloaded to my computer, and then I'm going to come over here. I already have this add-on here, but I'm going to show you how to get it. So you go to Add-ons. You're going to want the Slides Toolbox, but if you don't have that already, go to Get Add-ons. Just type in Toolbox, select Slides, and then you'll install this. I'm on Google Chrome, so you'll install this. And then you might need to close out Slides and come back. If you do, make sure you go to File, Page Setup, change it to 8.5 by 11 again. But then you're going to go to Add-ons, Slide Toolbox, Open. And we're going to take all those JPEGs that we have and make them into backgrounds. So we're going to go to Import Tools, Create Slides from Images. We want a single image on a slide. We want it set as the background. Click Next, and then Upload. Then I'm on a Mac, so I can just drag and drop here. Just drag them all and hit Upload. And there are, I'm uploading 29 pages right now, so it's going to take just a second. But you can see over here on the right still that you could also create slides from docs. If you have stuff uploaded as docs, you can multiple files, videos, all kinds of stuff. So this toolbox is pretty neat. So once this imports, you are going to have one individual slide with every single page on one. So I'm uploading, 29 images, so I will have 29 slides in this file once it's finished importing. And then just like I showed you with the individual one, you can sit here and add text boxes on it. But honestly, even if you teach elementary school, It's very simple to teach your students how to just add a text box themselves, and they might want to do that anyway because they can change the color of it, change the font, you know, whatever they want to do. But the more comfortable you can get them with these digital tools, the easier it will be for you because you're not going to have to do as much prep work. So, and that's it. So you can see when you do this, the first slide is white. You can easily just add a text box and type directions for your students here, or even put up a little video of yourself. Hey, this is what we're going to be doing today. And then they just go through, and then everything is here. So all they'll have to do is insert text boxes and work on it. Even here, like with coordinate planes, they can grab shapes and do circles. You know, they can still actually show you the graphing and stuff like that. So that's it. This is just to show you that every resource that you have purchased in the past or will purchase or will make yourself or are given by your school doesn't have to actually be made, quote, digital in order for it to be able to be used digitally. So I hope this is really helpful for you.